Hello dear children, Sai Ram. Now children, we have already completed chapter number 1, the earth in the universe, right? So in today's class, we are going to solve the exercises that is given behind the chapter. Now children, let us start solving the exercises. Question number 1, fill in the blanks, okay? Now, first one is the universe is a vast expanse of dash. So, what is the answer? The universe is a vast expanse of, yes, the answer is space. Okay, you can write down. Don't make mistake, okay? You have to copy down properly. Question number 2. The dash is our nearest neighbor in space. Yes, the dash is our nearest neighbor in space. So the answer is moon. Answer is moon. The earth gets its heat and light from the dash. The earth gets its heat and light from the dash. From the sun. Let's do the fourth one. Dash do not have heat or light of their own. Yes, what is the answer? The answer is planets. Planets do not have heat or light of their own. Fifth one. The sun and the planets together form the dash. The sun and the planets together form the, yes, form the solar system. Now question number B, circle the odd one out. Now you have to read the names and you have to circle the odd one out. Question number 1, Mercury, Mars, Jupiter, Pluto. Now which one do you think is the odd one? Yes children, which one do you think is the odd one? Mercury is a planet, Mars is a planet and Jupiter is also a planet. Whereas Pluto is not a planet. It's a dwarf planet, right? It's not a planet of the solar system. So Pluto is the odd one out. So what we have to do? You have to circle Pluto. Now, number 2. Uranus, Leo, Orion, the Great Bear. Uranus, Leo, Orion, the Great Bear. This is very easy. Now children, Leo, Orion and the Great Bear, they are the name of the constellations. Whereas Uranus is a planet. So Uranus is the odd one out. So you have to circle Uranus. The next one, water, atmosphere, earth, Venus. Yes, water, atmosphere and earth. All three are connected to each other, right? Earth is a planet which is surrounded by atmosphere and it contains water, right? 3/4 part of the earth is covered by water. So, which is the odd one out? Venus, right? Venus is the odd one out. It doesn't have water, it doesn't have atmosphere. So Venus is the odd one out. answer the following question. Here you have to answer the following question. Describe the universe. Yes, children. How will you describe the universe? Universe, yes. The universe is a vast expanse of space. This space contains various heavenly bodies like stars, planets, and moons. It also contains dust, gases, and pieces of rock. And the next point is, the last point is, the earth is like a grain of salt in the vast universe. I hope you all must have followed. Okay. What are stars? Yes, children, what are stars? Yes, it's a very easy question. What are stars? Stars are huge balls of hot burning gases. Stars give out heat and light. They are very far away. Followed? Stars are huge balls of hot burning gases. Stars give out heat and light. They are very far away. Question number 3. What are constellations? Name a few well-known constellations. Constellations are group of stars. Some well-known constellations are Leo the Lion, the Great Bear, or Saptarishi and Orion. Now children, this question is very important. What is the solar system? Name the different planets of the solar system. Yes, how you are going to answer this question? The sun and the 8 planets make up the solar system. The planets of the solar system are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Question number 5. What are planets? Planets are heavenly bodies that travel around a star. Planets are heavenly bodies that travel around a star. Now children, let's do multiple choice questions. You have to read the question, you have to understand the question. 3 options are given and you have to select the correct one. Let's start. First one, the universe is the vast expanse of number A, space, B option, light, and C is water. So which is the correct option? Yes, children, very easy. Which is the correct option? Option A. So you have to put a tick mark on A option. Now second one. The twinkling lights in the dark sky are called stars, bulbs, planets. Yes, the twinkling lights in the dark sky are called stars. Okay, they are called stars. Stars have their own light. The sun is a planet, moon, star. Yes, what is a sun? Sun is a planet, moon or star. It is a star, right? The sun is a star. So C is the correct option. So you have to put a tick on C option. The number of planets in the solar system is 10, 8, 9. Yes, how many planets are there in the solar system? Which is the correct number? 10, 8 or 9? There are 8 planets in the solar system. Therefore, B is the correct option. So you have to put a tick on the option B. Fifth one. The only known planet with life on it is Earth, Venus, Mars. Yes, this is a very easy question. Which is the only known planet with life, the living planet? Yes, of course, that is Earth. Okay, our Earth. So Earth is the correct option. Put a tick on Earth. So children, today we have completed the chapter number 1, the Earth in the universe. I hope you all have understood the chapter very well. You have to read the chapter thoroughly and you have to underline the important words. Okay, children, and learn the answers given in the exercises. Okay, thank you. Meet you in the next session. Saira.